smile is a clear message that there is hope. Your smile is a clear message that your problem, there's always a solution. Because Jesus Christ is the answer to every problem of your life because He is the way. It's not your job is the way. It's not your business that is the way. It's only Jesus Christ. Kagaya nga po ng tinatawag ng sisidlan na ito ng tubig. Na itong tubig na ito, maraming tao gusto lamang makiinom sa baso. Gusto lamang makisalok. Pero kapag ikaw ay dumirekta sa ating Panginoon, humingi sa Kanya, ipinaglaban mo ang pangangailangan mo, tiyak na walang patlang ang iyong pagpapala at himala sa iyong buhay. You always continue to tap on the source, not just only on your resources. Kaya kapag inutusan ka ng ating Panginoon, huwag kang magdalawang isip. It is a privilege, it is an honor. You give an importance unto God.